All right, everybody. I'm dealing with child support, which ain't even about support. It's a criminal syndicate, kidnapping children for profit. All right? Go through their codes and their policies. Look at your life for who you are. Look at them for who they are. All right? Now I got a letter from the mail, or a letter in the mail. Look, it's Neo Post. Look, it's not even open, right? I just got it today. So I'm gonna start exposing these hoes whenever I get this shit in the mail. Look, what does that say? The date. I don't know if you guys can see that. It says 2/01/24. See that? Because I got the fucking camera flipped on me, so it might be backwards. I don't know. I can't see. Well, anyways, been having problems with these motherfuckers. And then I ain't heard from them in a long time. So this is the first letter I got from them. But I got some other stuff. Anyways, look, this thing is not even opened. All right. Now, as a man or a woman, we have a right to privacy, right? Even in the public, you have a right to privacy. You know what I'm saying? You go to a gas station, it's hot outside, you leave your windows down. You know what I'm saying? You go inside, you get something to drink. Doesn't give nobody a right to put their head in your window. Go through your glove box, go through your center console, whatever, and start stealing change. Take your phone, your cigarettes, whatever the fuck. You come out, your shit's gone. All right? You still have a right to privacy in the fucking public. So whenever they say, well, you're not in public, you're out, you're not in privacy, you're not in private, you're in the public. Man, fuck you. All right? These people are fucking terrorists. All right? Now, my son's been going through hell. All right? Almost lost a finger. Damn near fucking... So fucked up. But I'm going to keep doing this shit anyways. I don't want it to get too long. It's already going on 3 minutes, so I'm going to open this motherfucker. All right? Let me see what the cocksuckers say, because my baby mama told me they had a court date already. I got no letters in the mail, nothing. And now I got this, so they're probably saying, oh, well, we did this shit. Yeah, I wasn't fucking there. But best believe I'm going to be there the next one. All right. This matter comes before the court for a periodic case review and permanency hearing. Notice to the court finds that required notice of this hearing has been provided by the DCS to parties and foster parents and or caretakers. Fucking full of shit. Issues considered. The court, after reviewing the progress report for permanency filed by the DCS filed herein, which is /are now admitted into evidence and made a part of the record. Yeah, they don't put my shit on the record. They put their shit on the fucking record. Ain't that a bitch? After hearing evidence and statements of interested persons, and after considering the factors in IC 3134-21-5B, finds in the order of, okay, IC, that's Indiana code, okay? That is a colorable fucking law. That is not fucking, I do not work for the state of Indiana. All right? Indiana code. Okay? How the fuck does that apply to me? How the fuck does that apply to you? Do you work for the state of Indiana? Do they pay you? No, the state of Indiana pays these cops, state attorneys, judges, and all these fucking crooked politicians and all these fucking scumbags kidnapping our kids for profit. But are they giving you a paycheck? A 9-to-5 fucking paycheck? No, then the Indiana codes don't apply to you. All right? Something called a Constitution, people, and they are bound by it. Okay, you have inherent rights, God-given rights, not fucking permission from these scumbags. So look up Indiana Code 3134 or 31-34-21-5 Section B. All right? Because I'm going to look that shit up in a minute. I think I already fucking know what that is, but do it anyways. Finds the order of the child's case plan services or placement do not meet the best interest and needs of the children, and a change in the case plan services or placement is necessary. Placement. The child. I'm not going to say the first kid's name because that's hers with another kid. And Isaac, that's my son, right? Have not been removed and are currently in the home of Margaret. Have not been removed and are currently in the home of their mother. No, they're not in that fucking home. Well, the older one is. My son's not. The DCS recommends continuation of the children in the home of baby mama. The court accepts and the recommendations of the DCS regarding placement and others or orders same. Order for subsequent review of the QRTP placement. All right. Hold on. All right. Oh, now they got a United States Code. 42 United States Code 475 Section C Part 4. Okay, now they're using United States Code on me. Okay, do I work for the United States government? Do they pay me? Am I collecting welfare, public housing, food stamps? Any of that shit. Retirement? Am I a United States citizen? Not after this bullshit, I'm not. Go look up the fucking definition of United States citizen. All right? Go look that up in United States Code. You go grab my other phone. Okay, so you guys look up the United States Code, 42 United States Code. I'm gonna look up another one. All right, 42 USC. All right, you guys look up 475C or Section C, paragraph 4. All right. Okay. Now there's another United States Code, right? Now if they're using United States Code on me, do we have equal protection under the law to use United States Code against them? Because there's a lot of United States codes. One, for instance, 18. Okay, since they're using 42 United States Code, which they're doing away with, which I think it was fucking Donald Trump, because that's what's fucking keeping a lot of people fucking subject for fucking bullshit. That's why he wants to free this shit. Well, anyways, 18 United States Code 2381, treason. Okay? Treason. All right? There's a lot of other fucking codes out. Oh shit, my bad. All right, but anyways, if they got a right to use United States Code against us, do we got the right to use it against them? Plus, there was another one in my other one, codes of federal regulations. All right, using codes of federal regulations on me. Now, do I have a right to use codes of federal regulations against them? Because here's another United States Code right here, Title 18, Section 242. Look that one up, people. And 241 for all them fuckers conspiring. This is one big RICO act. And all these motherfuckers. Alright? Well, anyways, I want to see what the fuck happened. So I'm going to continue this. But look through your United States codes, people. And your codes of federal regulations. And then find their definitions. Alright? I tell you guys before, fucking look at their exemptions shits. See what really applies to you or not. But this time, look up their definition section. Alright? And look at the words they use in this shit. And then look it up. You'll be fucking disgusted. Alright? Anyways, the court has considered the following evidence. Documentation of ongoing assessment of the child's strength and needs. Yeah, these fucking people, man. Documentation of the specific treatment and or service needs to be met for the child in QRTP placement. Okay, so it's always services with these fucking people. You know, doing fucking oil changes and shit. Fucking scumbags. Whether the QRTP continues to provide the child the most effective and inappropriate level of care in the least restrictive environment. He escaped from these people multiple times. Alright? Found himself on a roof. Alright? Took his pants off around his shit, a bed sheet, took off running. All types of fucking shit. Alright? Tried to commit that shit on himself just to get away from these fucking diseased motherfuckers. Well, anyways, whether the child's needs can now be met with family members or in foster family homes. See how they sneak that shit in all the time? Ooh. Well, anyways, in foster family home with a legal guardian or with an adoptive parent. So they can get fucking paid for that shit. Alright? The court, being duly advised, now finds and orders as follows for the child, Isaac. The needs of the child cannot be met through placement with family members. Fucking disgusting. In a foster family home or in another approved non-residential setting. So they're trying to just keep his ass there. The longer they keep him, it's like fucking you're on bond, right? You go to jail, pay $100 bond, right? Found not guilty, you get that $100 bond back, right? How many times are these bonds being made with him? Huh? Every time me or Big Mama goes to court, it's fucking appearance bonds, performance bonds. What are we supposed to perform? Is there anything fucking that we're supposed to do 20 fucking jumping jacks every Saturday and put it on camera and send it to us to verify that you did your 20 jumping jacks? Does that say that? Is there any type of contract involving that? Then how the fuck are we supposed to know what we're supposed to do? We're not, because they don't fucking tell you shit. These fucking people. Anyways, I'm just gonna scroll through a little bit.
Okay, this is the card, Peter. I sent it. Ronnie Fisher.
Alright, just let me do this real quick. Hold on, because I'm going on like fucking 14 minutes and shit. So I'm gonna try to make this fucking 20 minutes. Alright, a child's current place is Gilbalt's. Alright, Gilbalt is a fucking disgusting place, I heard. I don't know. Looks like I'm gonna have to write the governor, the Secretary of State, both of their offices, both fucking cities, both corporate courthouses, all three branches of government, the Secretary of the State for the United States government, not just the Indiana, but there's two. I'm probably gonna have to write a fucking letter to the judge himself and the fucking court clerk and have them duly served with a process server. And if that shit don't work out, go straight to the fucking post office, return mail with the address, with a fucking signature. And default these fucking hoes like they're trying to fucking default us when we don't know the law. Well, don't fucking cry later when you get defaulted, you fucking scumbag pricks. The DCS, Department of Child Services, recommends continuation. Oh, of course they do, because it's fucking money. Of the existing placement for the child Isaac at Gilbalt's, where he fucking attempted, a bunch of fucking times, escape from them, try to jump off a fucking roof. Damn near lost a limb in that place. Even fucking some shit happened to him in there. I'm fucking disgusted in these people. You know what I'm saying? Not once has baby mama or me ever been charged with a crime, neglect, harm, anything like that. All right? My son got into a fight with his brother. That was it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, he's not safe in that house. They be fighting. You know how many times motherfuckers grew up fighting? These fucking people are scumbags, people. And now he's been through fucking hell and they still want to keep him there. How is that fucking safer than being over here with me or over there with his baby mama? All for money, people. Look through their fucking codes and policies and look at their definition section. You guys don't even know what the fuck these words mean. Because it ain't in the Webster's dictionary when you were in fucking high school or school learning this shit. Alright, the court accepts the recommendation of the Department of Child Services regarding placement and orders the same. Or orders same. Yeah, these motherfuckers. The court orders placement at Gilbert after considering all testimony, evidence, and recommendations. I wasn't even fucking there for this shit. Said placement and consistent with the recommendation of the qualified individual's determination report. I'm gonna have to fucking check that shit out. I'm gonna go to court. And I'm gonna tell them what I gotta tell them, or else they're all getting fucking a process server hitting them up after this shit. And I'm gonna end up defaulting them. I'm gonna make my fucking claim. And we're going to do a full forensics audit on their fucking books. On and off the ledger. Whoever the fuck is getting paid. How much they're getting paid. Their taxes. Who's their tax adjuster. I'm going to fuck these people in their fucking asshole like my son got his shit. Watch my fucking words. These motherfuckers, I'm going to fucking padlock their doors with a fucking commercial lien. I don't care how fucking long it takes. These fucking scumbags. Isaac to undergo brain mapping. Hold on. All right. Services. The court accepts recommendations of the department of the following services are ordered. Isaac to undergo brain mapping. You fucking know what this shit means? Well, I'm about to find out too, but I know it ain't fucking good. This deposition is consistent with the safety and the best interest of the children. Yeah, bullshit. And the least restrictive and most appropriate setting available close to the parent's home. Yeah, bullshit. He's like fucking 3 hours away. And they still want to keep him. Even if they bring him somewhere closer, it doesn't fucking matter. It doesn't matter if he moved next fucking door. Still ain't the fucking same. Reasonable efforts. Or the IVD findings, all right? I'm going to skip past that fucking the interference with a... No, you know what? With the least restrictive and most appropriate setting available close to the parent's home, least interference with the family's autonomy, is least disruptive of family life, imposes the least resistance of the freedom of the children. Yeah, freedom of the children. Bullshit. They're fucking identified through what? An estate and a trust, because they're claiming they are the estate and they are the trust. So they're the property of that shit. Or the trustees of that shit and they're failing in their duties. Hence the fucking what? What was it in that United States, the UCC book? Fucking performance. Check that shit out too. The Uniform Commercial Code, UCC. Look it up on fucking Amazon. They got PDFs and shit all over the place on Google and shit. All right, anyways, the court finds that it is in the best interest of the children to be removed from the home environment, and remaining in the home would be contrary to the welfare. See, because it's all welfare with these people. They want us broke, dirt broke, fucked up, and dependent on them. But I ain't fucking dependent on them. You fucking scumbag whore. All of you motherfuckers. Welfare to children because the children need protection and cannot be provided in the home. Bullshit. These motherfuckers, man. Reasonable efforts. The court finds DCS has made reasonable efforts to reunify and preserve the children's family. Bullshit. They never once offered my son to come to my house. They never once offered him for my brothers, my sister, my cousins, relatives, her pride fucking side of the family with her parents, aunts, uncles, cousins, relatives, whatever the fuck. They never once contacted mine, so I doubt they contacted hers. All right, reasonable efforts. Did I read that shit? The court finds DCS has made reasonable efforts to reunify and preserve the children's family. Bullshit. All right, I did that. Permanency plan. On the permanency plan options available, the court finds it is most appropriate and consistent with the best interest of the children to reunify the children. I'm not going to say the first name in Isaac. To the custodial care of baby mama. Yes, that is the fucking best.
Whoa.
But these people still want to fucking throw that other bullshit in there. Jurisdiction. They have none. All right, they stole that shit. Through fraud, identity theft. That's right. They stole our identities and signed up on fucking what do you call that shit? Application forms. You gotta apply to be in their fucking program. Read their shit. Go to the Social Security Administration involving any of their programs. All right. This is Title 4D, and where's that other one?
Whoa.
I don't know. I'll find that shit later. Anyways, oh wait, what the fuck was that? On the top. Oh, that's the case number. Okay, whatever. Well, since these people are not fucking respecting my right to privacy and exposing me to the public, well then it's gonna be in the fucking public. All of it. I don't give a fuck. My name, address, telephone number, my dick size. I don't give a fuck. These fucking scumbags. All right, reasonable efforts. I did that. Permanency plan. All right, jurisdiction. The purpose of this dispositional decree. Oh, I got a couple decrees myself for these fucking hoes. Has not been accomplished. Continuation of the decree is necessary and is in the children's best interest. All presumptions. See that shit? Presumptions, people. They're not fucking claims. None of them are claims. They're not facts on the actual fucking record. Ask for a fucking shit next time you're in court. What are the facts in that motherfucker? I need a fucking I need to know what the fucking laws are that you're operating under and what definitions you're using and what fucking jurisdiction it's under. And fucking, what was I gonna say? Cause my eyes are fucked up and I just woke up. I ain't even fucking thinking straight. These fucking people got me heated. Alright, anyways. Continuation of this decree is necessary. Yeah, it's not fucking necessary because they don't fucking have it. Is in the children's best interest. All presumptions for the termination of jurisdiction are deemed rebutted. See how they fucking default us too when we don't fucking send shit back? Well, the only reason I haven't sent them shit back is because they know how I fucking feel and I want my shit the way I fucking want it, and I don't want to use their procedures. It's their procedures. It's their codes and policies, not ours. You know what I'm saying? And plus, when I was going through their shit, everything's fucking copywritten. Do I have permission to use copywritten material? Am I a member of a bar association or any other association? Huh? Or their church, the state's church, and their fucking or religious organization, and whoever the fuck Satan they fucking worship, and their false idols? No, the fuck I'm not. I don't pay dues to that shit. I'm not in their society or any other society. Or their fucking bar association or any other fucking association. So their shit don't apply to me. And do I have permission to use it? No. That's like YouTube playing music. You playing music on YouTube and it gets flagged for copyright infringement. This is all copyright infringement. That's why I don't fucking use it. But that's why I'm gonna end up defaulting these hoes and sending them out letters. Whatever fucking decrees they made, whatever presumptions that they made that we didn't rebut because we didn't know the law. All time, watch, I'm gonna get my fucking shit right with these fucking people and I'm gonna padlock their fucking doors. But because fucking 26 minutes, fuck. But because the prison industrial complex makes money, the United States federal government, the Social Security Administration, the IRS, the President of the United States in his office, the other members of Congress, the 3 branches of government, the Secretary of their state, a few other people over there, the Secretary of the state over here in Indiana, and the governor and both of their offices, the mayors, the cities. I'm sending not only to them, but to their offices. And I'm going to do the fucking same that these people are fucking doing. Send my shit out there. To where it can't be fucking rebutted. It's a fucking claim. Now you back that claim up. I don't give a fuck if it's the smallest fucking claim right here. Indiana Code 2026-11-9. I'm going to look that shit up too. Now when I look that code up, does it say my fucking name and have my picture on that motherfucker? That says it applies to me. And here is he with my picture by it. No, the fuck it don't. Because it don't apply to me and it doesn't apply to you either. None of you. You know? Our tax dollars pays their salary. Even a homeless motherfucker living under a bridge. With no job, no money, no taxes being paid, none of that shit. He's still fucking one of we the people. They still work for him. This nation was built by we the people, for the people. All right? By the people, for the people. And it's paid for by we the people. Not by them scumbags. We're paying their salaries. They fucking work for us. Oh, we don't work for you. You don't cut my check. So he's talking to you as an individual, not you as we the people. So if you ain't we the people, paying his fucking salary through the state, then who are you? So now he's the people. You're not we the people. You're a resident and a citizen. Look up their definitions and their definition code. What a resident and citizen is. It's in their own codes that they're allowed to human traffic and child traffic. It's written in their own shit. These fucking scumbag fucks. That's all right. It's sue and be sued. Put a lien on me, you all getting fucking leaned on. And I'm waiving the fucking damages the federal government, the state, the cities, the municipality, the commonwealth, all these fucking scumbags hiding behind the guise of government on paper or in our eyes, they're hiding behind the guise of government. And then once we leave behind closed doors, they're hiding behind the guise of fucking contract law, basic contract law, and trust law, estate law. Stupid fucking shit is commercial. They're hiding behind commercial, behind closed doors, and then hiding behind government in our faces. Alright, anyways, fucking 30 minutes, man. I don't even know if this shit'll fucking send. Anyways, fucking, other orders. The court finds responsibility for the placement and care of the children. It's not your fucking responsibility, you scumbag fucks. In order to, or continue, is ordered and continues to be ordered by DCS. So the Department of Child Services ordering it. And the judge is fucking signing off on that shit. Jurisdiction and wardship is continued for the children. I'm not going to say the first child's name because he ain't mine. And Isaac. Yeah, so jurisdiction and wardship. All right? Those children are in part and parcel to me and baby mama. Okay? She doesn't even know she had an estate until they admitted in the court of law to me that they're not suing me. They're suing me on behalf of her estate. She don't even know she had an estate. I didn't even know I had an estate. The children, I didn't even know my own children had an estate. That's what they're doing. They're administrating the affairs of your estate in your behalf or on your behalf. It's an administrative court. Administrative. What are they administrating? It's fucking so fucking easy. I can't believe fucking people miss that or I miss. It's just fucking, we don't know. We're not taught that shit in school. These people do everything behind closed doors like pedophiles do. All right, legal settlement. Okay, now these people want the settlement from what? They got insurance policies out on us, appearance bonds, performance bonds, insurance bonds, whatever to the highest bidders for fucking I-bonds and shit, for holding ships fucking hostage under maritime contracts. They place ships under arrest. So is my son a ship? When I go to jail, am I the ship? Or are we goods on the ship? And we're the fucking goods? What do they call it? Custodial inventory. Look up the fucking definition of custodial inventory in the fucking in the law libraries. The fucking like Cornell Law or something like that. Fucking 1125. Fuck. Look up custodial inventory. They're the custodians and you're the inventory and they're logging you in their shit. Your fucking shit is fucking a property. It's fucking inventory. All right, this court finds that the legal settlement of the children are school city of Hammond and the DCS shall provide notice required by Indiana Code 20-26-11-9. All right, I'm going to look that shit up later and shit. I suggest you motherfuckers do the same or else they're going to fucking kidnap your fucking children. Next court date. This matter is set for review. All right, they didn't even have a fucking they didn't even say what the fuck happened this last court date that we're in there or when it was. Review and placement plan order following this matter comes before the court for a periodic case review and permanency hearing notice. Issues considered, placement, order of subsequent review of QRTP placement. 42 USC. These fucking scumbag fucks. Yeah, whoever these people are, hiding behind the guise of government in our faces and behind closed doors, the guise of fucking commerce. Regardless who you are, you got a roofer come banging on your door, AT&T, any of them, they give you a business card, see who they're licensed, bonded, and insured with. All these fucking scumbags are licensed, bonded, and insured. And like I said, I'm going to fucking waive all that fucking damages that they fucking caused, their fucking corporations caused us. And since it's fucking monetary value with fucking the prison industrial complex, I'm gonna sue the shit out of these people and who they're licensed, bonded, and insured with. And I'm gonna waive that upon condition they're criminally prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. And I get their fucking whoever they're licensed, bonded, and insured with. And my fucking kids and fuck baby mama. And they go to fucking jail for their crimes against us. And not only does the government and the state and all that fucking the corporate side, not only do they get to save money from the damages that I'm gonna waive upon condition they're all fucking prosecuted and in prison for crimes against us, and we get their fucking whoever they're licensed, bonded, insured with all their fucking all their fucking all their shit to indemnify us while they're in jail. So now the state, government, all that shit, they fucking save money in the damages. But now with these people in jail for their fucking crimes against us, they also get to make money. The government gets to make money with them in fucking prison. And all the fines and penalties accrued in courts with that shit. Well, anyways, fucking I'll find that shit later that I was talking about earlier, but I just fucking woke up a minute ago. So anyways, the matter is set for review of QRTP placement on 2/21/2024, 9 o'clock a.m. CST in court number 2 and permanency / review hearing on 2/21/2024 at 9 a.m. CST Central Standard Time in court number 2. Why the fuck did they repeat that shit? Review of because it's the QRTP placement on that date and the permanency hearing. The hearing will be held on at the Lake County Juvenile Justice Complex, which I'm gonna send that fucking complex a fucking letter. And have the fucking building manager served too. Let me see. The court, wait, where the fuck was I? Oh yeah, the hearing will be held at the Lake County Juvenile Justice Complex, 3000 West 93rd Avenue, Crown Point, Indiana. I'm gonna shut those fucking doors down. And the sheriff's office, because the sheriff's building is attached to that shit, or that shit's attached to the sheriff's fucking office. How come you don't see any cops out here running around? Huh? Because they're the ones who actually have oaths duly elected by we the people. All these other people, they're corporate side. They're not duly elected by we the people. You know what I'm saying? And look at this fucking scumbag, probably pedophile fuck Robert G. Van Magistrate right here. Look at the way he signs his fucking signature. Like a fucking child. Look at that shit. Like a fucking child. That ain't no grown-ass man's fucking signature. Why is he signing it like that? So he could say that's not his signature and someone forged it? Magistrate. He's a fucking lawyer. That's what he is. He ain't no magistrate. He's a fucking lawyer. And ever since I fucking exposed his ass, I didn't see nothing about him being a magistrate. Not with a fucking oath of office, I didn't. So if they fucking give him one, yeah, you fucking better thank me, you cocksucker motherfucker, for exposing you, for them being forced to fucking give you one. Because you ain't fucking worthy of having one. Alright, anyways. Said date and time now here of hearing was given in open court to all parties present. Yeah, I wasn't fucking there. Because they didn't send me no fucking goddamn letters. All parties present are ordered to appear at said date and time without further notice. Are they gonna pay me for this too? You know you could fucking charge these fucking scumbags for that shit too? For your time and energy? You know what I'm saying? You fulfilled an order, right? You go to McDonald's and Burger King, you go through the drive-thru, I want a 99-cent McMuffin. Pull around, you gotta pay for that right before you get that fucking order. Then you pull up to the next window, you get your fucking shit. Well, they ordered you something, right? So when I fulfill it, actually I could fucking get paid before that shit. Now, are they gonna fucking give me that shit? Are they gonna give us the bonds they create, the insurances, the security instruments that they send in to fucking get this money from the fucking Federal Reserve? Them fucking cocksuckers too. Said date and time of hearing was given upon all parties. Oh yeah, I read that. The court now orders the department to file a report every 3 months. What department? Is that the fucking Department of Child Services? Who are they reporting to? The court? Who's the court reporting to? Where's the checks and balances with these motherfuckers? Huh? Who does the checks and balances? All the way back up to Congress that has the power to regulate commerce? Am I commerce? No, I'm not. Am I engaged in commerce? No, I'm not. Is my son? No. But my son's in part and parcel to me and his mother. His mother never gave fucking consent either. Her shit was fucking perverted by these perverted motherfuckers. So she ain't the fucking problem. Alright, anyways, for 3 months from this date, they gotta file a report. Alright, the children's case plan shall be updated to comply with the terms of this order. Damn, 45 fucking minutes is coming up on. God damn. Those present are notified of the modification procedures under IC 313423 and that failure to comply as required by this order can lead to termination of the parent-child relationship. See that shit? So look up Indiana Code 31-34-23. Because that's your failure to comply, right? As required by this order can lead to the termination of the parent-child relationship. So you got to look up that code and see what the fuck it is so you're not in compliance. Or find the fucking remedy and recourse that you have. All right? And the exemption clause in there. Find that motherfucker too. And the definition section, people. I hope you've been doing your fucking homework, people. Can't leave you breadcrumbs forever, man. Nobody even hits me up and asks me fucking where I get this, where I get that, where I find this. All right, the parties are on notice that the modification of the dispositional decree will be considered at any periodic review hearing or permanency hearing. Department of Child Services shall seek placement for Isaac in a closer residential facility. Yeah, because fucking I guess baby mama told me that she went and told them what's up with that shit and him fucking going through all this fucking shit, escaping, whatever fuck happened to him, all this shit. And the judges, and she said the judge is fucking trying to see her on that and try to move him. He ain't on our side. She said, the judge is trying to fucking, I think he hears me and I think he's on my side now. He ain't on your fucking side, baby mama. He ain't on your fucking side. All right? He ain't no fucking man. Alright, he's a creature of the fucking law. Look that shit up too, people. He's a fucking scumbag fuck. For profit with a financial interest. That's what he is. He has a financial interest in children. With other benefits and privileges and fucking... well, anyways, I forgot where the fuck I was at. Anyways, parties are unknown. Modification disposition. Did I hear that? Read this shit. Oh yeah. Seek a closer residential facility. DCS shall investigate placement at St. Francis, Campania, Oak Lawn, and potentially placement of Isaac back home with mother. They better fucking do this and walk away. Or else I'm fucking done with these people. I'm fucking wiping my hands with them. I'm drawing my fucking... my line. That's it. I don't give a fuck. If he ain't returned back to his mother, Documents are going out. I'm fucking padlocking their doors. I'm taking whoever they're licensed, bonded, and insured with. I'm fucking doing all that shit. I'm gonna make sure these scumbags, per their own codes and policies under Indiana fucking code, under fucking codes of federal regulations, under United States code, all the way up to Congress and their fucking shit, dealing with fucking child trafficking and human trafficking, and by definition, they're gonna have to fucking explain themselves, which they can't. Watch, these motherfuckers are getting a couple letters from me, just so I can say I gave them ample time to fucking reply. And they'll probably reply and do some fucking sneaky shit, but that's alright. That shit's gonna be rebutted and sent right fucking back. And we're gonna go back 100 times if I fucking have to. These motherfuckers, man. Robert G. Van Magistrate, don't fucking cry when you can no longer hold office of any kind or have a job in government and your ass is in federal prison, you cocksucker motherfucker. And the same goes for you, Michael A. Brown. And the same goes for the other people's names on not only these fucking papers right here. Who is that? Brenda, Sarah, Renee, Tangala, Cherie, Carrie, Karen, Lakeisha, Sharon, Dickerson. Yeah, you're a fucking Dickerson, all right. And your son's gonna fucking get dick while you fucking locked up, you cocksucker. All of you motherfuckers. So Karen Corner, therapist. Oh, who's my son's fucking who's the kid's fucking attorneys? We didn't even know they had attorneys. It's in their fucking codes. Everybody must be represented by an attorney. Well, not me. I'm not. That motherfucker's since been fired. Anyways, let me finish this because this is going on fucking 50, like an hour and shit. Well, anyways, all which is ordered this 31st day of January 2024. Robert G. Van, Magistrate, Lake Superior Court Juvenile Division. He signs his name like a fucking child. Look at that fucking scumbag fuck. He's an attorney at law. He's got a law firm in Crown Point. This scumbag fuck. All right, clerk's certificate of notice of orders or judgments pursuant to TR 72D. All right? If you don't know what TR 72D is, look that motherfucker up. All right? I hereby certify that a true and accurate copy of the foregoing order or judgment has been duly served upon the following interested parties who are not in default or failure to appear, right? And all counsel of record. We are not the counsel and we are not the record. That's why they're fucking getting away with shit behind closed doors, people. By wait, where the fuck was I? Okay, record what the fuck was it? Oh, and all counsel of record by where the fuck was I at again? Oh, record by depositing same in the United States mail, which that's what I'm gonna fucking do to them. I'm gonna have them served by a process server first, and then fucking United States mail would fucking have their offices sign that they got and have it returned back to me. So I got it fucking a date and time when they fucking got that shit too. They want to fucking be cocksuckers. Well, I'm gonna show them what a fucking cocksucker is with a big fucking cock in their mouth. All right, that didn't come out right, so fuck y'all. All right, anyways, these fucking scumbags, man. United States mail in envelopes properly addressed and with sufficient first class postage affixed or by mail or I don't know. That's fucking smudged up. If service is so accepted on the date this order was approved. I can't fucking see. My eyes are watering. They're all fucked up. I don't know what the fuck's up with my shit. I can't fucking see. Alright. But anyways, there's a few people. The Department of Child Services attorney. Oh, he's deaf getting hit. Or she is. Brenda. Brenda, you scumbag fuck. A women that don't love children. Yeah, go through history. See how many children have been fucking trafficked by fucking nuns and other fucking women. Women, you fucking pieces of shit too. Don't fucking cry when you people are in federal fucking prison. And there'll be no fucking bar members there to help you in the court of law. The governor, the secretary of the states. They're not gonna fucking help you. The mayors. They're not gonna fucking help you. The foreign cocksuckers who secretly own this shit. They're not gonna be there to fucking help you, cocksuckers. Alright, 51 minutes. Oh. What was that fucking thing? Since I got a minute, I'm going to look up that pursuant to TR 72D. TR 72D. All right, TR 72A. All right, Amazon. Where's Cornell Law or one of them motherfucking law fucking thingies. All right, hold on. Let me try something else. Okay. All right, I don't know what the fuck IQRF.org is. But it's a .org. I'm getting a bunch of fucking Alright, open. Let's see what this is real quick, because this ain't it, it's just something else. Alright. Okay, I opened something else, but I'm trying to find the trial rules 72D. Alright, that TR 72D, that's trial rules. Alright? Like we're going to trial. See how they keep fucking doing trials? These fucking scumbag fucks. Alright. I'm in the 80s, dude. I don't want the fucking 80s. Here, let me get up out of here and... Oh, shit. Let me go back up here. Just for the fucking... Alright. RF bands. This is fucking some antenna bullshit. TR72D versus TR72G comparison. The main advantage. Larger memories, deliveries. No, that's the wrong fucking thing. Let me put okay, LaPorte County Circuit and Superior Court. They're all administrative. These fucking scumbag fucks, man. I don't know why I use that word so much with these fucking bastards. Alright, here's a summary of all types of shit. Sections of special judges in civil cases. Y'all gotta read that shit. LR46, TR79. All right, but this is TR72. I want to see this real quick though. See, it ain't in here. 79. Jumps to 46. LR46, AR-15-3. Court reporting services. See, let me see if there's a search button here. No, that's a PDF. 55 minutes, man. This is so fucking... Maybe if I put Indiana in front of it. Shit. All right, the terms mail and mailing in this chapter. All right, Indiana trial rules. Yeah, you got to put Indiana in front of it because I guess every state's different or whatever the fuck. Requires that immediately upon entry of a ruling on a motion or entry of an order or judgment, the clerk must serve a copy of the entry by mail in the manner provided. All right, that's just the entry of whatever the fuck they said. What are the actual facts in the fucking case? Where's the transcripts for everything that was fucking said? All right, they got their stenographer, whatever the fuck you call them and shit, to fucking make sure all that shit's down. And I know there's cameras in every fucking courtroom, and these people fucking play like there's not. It shall be the duty of the attorneys and parties not represented by the attorneys when entering their appearance in a case or when filing pleadings. All right. Now you can appear without appearing and shit. There's a whole bunch of shit in the United States Code about that, or Uniform Commercial Code about that shit. But I'm not gonna do it because I don't know if that's copywritten material yet. So I don't suggest you people do it either. But there's shit you can fucking send in there. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to fall down on that shit. And since it's said in here that there's no failure to comply, or that there's no fucking, that there's something about fucking, I don't know, hold on. Oh yeah, all parties present are ordered to appear at said date and time without further notice. The court now. All right, so it's probably before that shit. Where did I read that shit at? I don't know if it was back here or something like that at the end, maybe. Something about fucking, what is it? About not having to appear and all that shit, that for no warrants, no nothing. It's not a fucking mandate or whatever the fuck they called it. Not mandate. Hold on, people. My bad. All right, I got less than 1 minute left. Well, anyways, all right, it's got to be somewhere where the next court date is or something like that. Testimony, evidence, recommendations. Said placement is consistent with the recommendations of a qualified individual's determination report. Oh, so that individual is qualified. Then how's he escaping from their fucking facility multiple times, finding alcohol in that facility by the fucking guards, the staff members, whoever getting crumped in that motherfucker? These kids fucking found that shit, popped it open, and started drinking and shit, and they fucking, man, you know what I'm saying? We get our kids taken for shit like that. And where the fuck are they at? How come they're not held to the same standards? That two-tier justice system? Yeah, that shit's real. That shit don't apply to them. It applies to us. You know why? Because they are we the people. And we are residents and citizens. How are you going to be we the people when you're a resident? Residing in somebody else's house. This is their house. And when you walk in their house, they say take off your fucking shoes before you come in my house. You got to take off your shoes before you come in their fucking house. Because it's their fucking house. You just reside there. You don't own the motherfucker. They own it. Learn the law, people. It will save your children's lives and your life. These scumbag fucks. I gotta play the smart game though. I mean, fucking, he's 14 years old, so the first 12 years of his life, his childhood, they destroyed that shit. And now they're 2 years into destroying his fucking teenage years. With no end in sight. You know what I'm saying? They breached my trust. I'm fucking done with these scumbags. And man, I don't know if I should use a process server plus. Fuck, over an hour. God damn it. Plus fucking plus have them fucking United States mail send them fucking letters through that shit too. But anyways, all right, people.